Today we're going to draw the seed of life, which then leads into the flower of life. I thought it would be a nice one to start with because in my last meditation we talked about planting the seed of life into our heart, new beginnings, and hopefully that seed turns into a flower. So this is one I prepared the other day, and it's been a bit of a hit and miss. So hopefully it goes smoothly today. I don't know if it's my compass, if it moves, but things haven't been so accurate. So forgive me. So long as we kind of learn how to do it, that's all that matters. It's been a long time since I did any geometry tutorials, or geometry for that matter. So we're going to start by placing our point in the center of our page. So make sure you measure the center before you start. And draw a little circle. So we're going to start with pencil. And then place your point in the top point of the circle there where it meets the line. And do the same at the bottom of the center circle. And then here we're going to place our point just there where the two circles meet. And then we're going to place it right there. And here. And here. And that is it in terms of the seed of life. That's how it starts. And then place your compass point on any of the outer points. Let's start here, bottom right corner. Hope you can't hear my stomach rumbling. Getting hungry. Okay, and then place the next point right there. So the edge of the new circle that you created and the circle above it. This can get confusing with all of the circles, but it's okay. Just follow the last point that you created and just stick to the outside. You should be all good. Already it's not so accurate. Here. And the last point is just there. Okay, from here, I'm going to do the same thing. Start at the bottom right point and make our way around. Voila! So from here, what we're going to do is we're going to change our pencil for a pen. So we're going to put our point back in the center. And we're going to open our compass until, see where the nice little flower pattern, see where it ends? I'm going to put our point there. Okay. And just draw a circle like so. And from here, I'm going to draw another circle. It's up to you how wide you want to make it. That's our wee border, our ring. And now we're going to bring the compass back to the size of the little circles. Go over them all again, almost all of them. Don't go past that circle, you'll see what I mean. Okay, so this is where you would put your point. And in there, you can draw the little edges of the pattern. Cool, so some of you may have already noticed that there were some lines here which I have missed. Make sure that you erase all of the pencil lines at the end, and then you can colour it as you wish. So I will be colouring mine in, but I won't share the finished result until my next video, which will be a meditation video. So you can watch the colouring in process then while you meditate. Thank you for watching, and I promise there'll be better tutorials coming soon, but we gotta start somewhere. Have a wonderful week, and I'll talk to you again real soon.